Eric, I want us to look at the image editor. For me, when I have images, I've used Adobe Photoshop even for the simple things that I needed to do. But I love the fact that I can literally go inside the editor with a photo that I've uploaded and do many of the basic things. So share with us what that might look like now, since you've done a lot of upgrades to that.
Okay, sure. Well, the first thing is under new item, you can create a basic blank JPEG image or a transparent PNG image. But instead, we'll just edit an image that's already in here. I'll need to go into this folder. And so let's just edit this image. So
they'll just select an image that they've uploaded.
Yeah, this is a worship scene. This gives you a warning if the image is a little bit too large, it may get a little slow when you edit large images. But so this, I got to move my screen here. I can't see the controls at the bottom. There we go. So here you can actually crop. So you can, like, let's say if you wanted it to be a landscape, you can, a landscape size 16:9. You can rotate the image, you can flip it. Okay, so there's all kinds of controls there. You can fine tune it, brightness, contrast, different color options. There's filters that you can apply. Down here under the watermark, you can give it some text, but actually if you really want to do some nice layering effect like you would do like in Photoshop, you have the availability to add another image right here. You can actually add an image and lay it on top. I have some random image here. It's not going to make any sense, but you can see that I can bring it in and I can also turn it. And so you can layer images on top of images. I'll delete that for now. You can draw boxes in here. You can change the color of that box.
And can I add text?
And you can add text. So I'll show you that. Let me see, you can add shadows. Let's see, over here under watermark actually is where you add the text. So you can add some text right here, right? And you have all kinds of controls for font and sizing. You can put text inside of a box, and you can give it a shadow. So it's really just like a mini full-featured image editor where you can pretty much resize, crop, add some things, add some layers.
And move it around.
Yeah, I mean, it's just really, really useful.
Yeah, fantastic. That is powerful, and probably saves a lot of steps for those people that use a lot of images on their website and they're working in the editor. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic.